What's good, YouTube? So 1K wish back within the video here. It's gonna be about my Yamaha R1. Fucking couple weeks back, I had broke my sprocket somehow. It just snapped clean right off. Just one tooth, no other ruptures, no other weird signs. So I ended up replacing that with I believe it was a Renthal front sprocket. I think I upped the sprocket to like some, I don't know, I forget, but she's ready to go. Got brand new oil, brand new filter, and love this thing, man. I miss her. I haven't rode in a while here, so once I upload this video, it'll be a couple weeks since the last time I rode. Been doing a lot of talking with this piece of shit here, but yeah, hopefully give you guys a ride here, and hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, enjoy. What's good, YouTube? Sounds insane. Turn on the music. I love this thing. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video here. Just gonna let her warm up for a minute. Give her about like a minute or so, and gonna go for a nice little ride. Just enjoy this. Some time since I've rode. It's been so warm, it's so hot. Today has been a little warm too. 117, I believe, record high. Gotta take it easy on her for the first couple of minutes. It's been a while. She's been sleeping. She's been sleeping good. I love the way this thing sounds. It sounds so good. Catch you guys in a minute here when I cut this out. Sounds so good. Starting to get so hot, it's hard to breathe. It doesn't feel safe to be out tonight. I don't know why. Not that gut feeling, you know? Every biker knows that gut feeling. Alright, boys and girls. Yeah, I'm a little rusty. I ain't even gonna lie. A little rusty. Can't even fucking breathe. This is not my environment. Fucking love this thing. Fucking love this thing, bro. Well guys, I don't have
too much to talk about. I just love riding, honestly. I honestly love riding so much, like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like, hopefully, we'll see what I include, but I'm not trying to put in everything, but read the situation. Always read the situation, bro. There's nothing else about it. There's nothing else to it. I swear to God. I swear to God. Let's wrap up this ride here. She's getting a little warm. Look at the ambient temperature at 93. That's ridiculous.